Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsnetic. Today we are going to see about logical activities. This is great to improve the reasoning and decision making skills of your kids. I have done these 5 logical activities with my kid since he was 2 years old. You can do these activities from 2 years until they are 5 years old. I have listed all the activities based on the difficulty level, so you can start off with the easiest activity. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. The first activity is visual discrimination. Through this activity, your kids are going to learn how to differentiate between similar items. This is great to develop analytical skills. Here, your kids has to match the images to the exact images. They are looking very similar. They have to really differentiate between the images. Only then they can match it. As both are having balloons, they have to differentiate between the color of the balloons and the color of the cone, etc. This is really going to help them in reasoning skills. Very good. The second activity is jigsaw puzzle. These puzzles are great to improve fine motor skills and analytical skills. Because these puzzles are going to help your kids in order to learn how to connect between the two pieces by the hands. So this improves the pincer grip of the kid, and they are really fun. There are many jigsaw puzzles available. You can also order it in wooden piece also. I got these puzzles from Einstein Box. This is not a sponsored video. I personally like Einstein Box, so I am recommending it here. I am posting the link in the description box. If you need it, you can get it. There are different versions of puzzles available, like vehicles, animals, weather, etc. So my kid started off with this box, and he really loves it. Each box comes with a jigsaw puzzle, so I ordered for a 6-month subscription and I got 6 puzzles totally. So this is a real enjoyment for him. He picks up each puzzle a day and he starts playing with it, which increases his logical skills a lot. The third activity is sequencing. In this, we are going to sequence the related events in first, second and third, fourth order. So first, starting off with, we have to tell a story for the kids. Here the mother is seeing the kids crying for food. Second, the mother is going in search of food. Third, the mother gets the food. And fourth, the mother feeds their kids with the food. So we have to tell in a story and ask them which comes first, second, third and fourth. In this way, they are going to improve their reasoning skills and also storytelling skills. I got these cards from Amazon. There are totally 8 sets of cards. You can give each set of cards to your kids each day, and it's really fun for them to create their own story and tell to you, and also improve their reasoning skills. I made this mat, and you can get this mat for free. I'm giving the link in the description box. Just stick a velcro on it and velcro on the cards, then you're good to go. They're going to just stick and lift and play with this. Really nice, right? Which come first? Keep the first thing? Yes. Very good. The fourth activity is mother and child shadow matching. Here the shadows of the animals and the children are given. The child has to match each of them using the dry erase marker. Through this, they are going to increase their reasoning skills, and also the pincer grip is going to increase their writing skills. This is going to be the base of their writing skills. So just give them a pen and let's see what they are up to. First starting, they may just scribble, but as they go on, just teach them. See, the lion is here, so where is the small lion, the cub? Where is the cub? They has to match this way. And another set of animals are also there, cow and calf. Through this, they'll know the names of the child animals also. adult animals and the child animals. Different names are there, so you can teach them accordingly. And this is also the same concept, but it's in the card. This one also I got from the Einstein box. This is really nice, and same set of animals I have done it here. This mat also you can get it for free. I'm giving the link. So it's similar way they have to match it here. This is a hands-on activity, and this is for your pincer grip. Fifth activity is Sudoku. We all remember playing this game in the newspaper, right? This is really interesting and a brain booster game. So we can introduce this to our kids when they are 3 years old. I just introduced this, but he's just matching the things. He doesn't really still understand the rules of the game. I'm slowly giving him the pace. So as he is interested and as he knows when to do, he'll start doing it. So in order to make it fun for the kids, I have made with animals, so it's easy for them to really gel to the game. So let's see how this goes on. This rules are very simple. I think many of them knows, but for the people who doesn't know, I'm just saying this is a row where we have rabbit and caterpillar. So we have to fill these two boxes with the leftover animals. Leftover animals are one is bird and the other one is lion. So if we keep a bird here, it is contradicting here as bird is here, so we have to keep it here and lion here. Similar way we have to place the other things also. We can't keep a rabbit here because rabbit is here, so we can keep rabbit here, and the leftover thing is a lion. Yes, we can keep a lion here, and similarly we have to fill all the boxes. This is first level, and this is second level with different boxes. So after completing it, your kids can go to household things. Similar concept, we have to place all the cot, everything where you have to place it, you have to place it. And this is really an interesting game. And also through this mat you can teach colors: red color, blue color, green color, orange color, and different categories of animals are placed to wild animal, pet animal, then this is a bird, this is an insect. So different categories of animals can be taught to a kid through the same mat. This mat and these two mats, you can get it for free from the link in the description box. All the printable mats are available for free, and all the products shown in the video, you can check both the links in the description box. Kindly do these activities frequently with your kids so that they get a strong base in reasoning and decision making skills. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Until I meet you all in my next video, it's tata bye bye and happy learning.